Hey there, foodies! Today, Qualamon wants to introduce you to the Tasti-Crisp digital air fryer with AirCrisp technology. This fryer is a game changer when it comes to healthy cooking and convenience in the kitchen. Let's start with the design. It has a sleek and modern look with a compact size that makes it easy to store on your kitchen counter. The Tasti-Crisp has a digital display that makes it super easy to navigate through the functions and temperature settings. It also has a large cooking basket that can hold up 2.6 quarts of food, making it perfect for family-sized meals. One of the most interesting things about this air fryer is its AirCrisp technology, which circulates hot air to evenly cook your food without the need for oil. This means you can enjoy crispy and delicious fried foods without the guilt of excess oil or fat. And all the clever moms out there, keep in mind that this air fryer is super easy to clean up afterward. No more greasy messes to deal with. Another happy news for all the moms is its versatility. You can cook a wide variety of foods from chicken wings and french fries to roasted vegetables and even desserts. And with the temperature control function, you can adjust the heat to your desired temperature, giving you full control over the process. Now, let's talk about the price. The Tasti-Crisp digital air fryer is priced at around $79, which is a reasonable price for an air fryer with its features and size. Compared to other air fryers on the market, it's more affordable than some of the high-end models, but still offers great value for money. Of course, there are some downsides to the Tasti-Crisp. Its size may not be sufficient for larger families, and some users have reported issues with the non-stick coating. Anyway, these are minor drawbacks that can easily overcome by proper care and maintenance. But the technology of this air fryer is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing the taste and texture of their favorite fried foods. It's versatile, easy to use, and affordable, making it a great addition to any kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give it a try. Was this video helpful? If yes, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more content. Thank you. Bye bye.